A mother has filed a multi-million-dollar lawsuit against the city of Niangua after her son was shot and killed by the city's lone officer in March.
That lawsuit claims the officer did not have cause to chase Dylan Austin into his mother's home without a warrant. Color 10's Parker Paget is live outside the federal courthouse after speaking with the family's attorney.
Yeah, that lawsuit was filed here today at the federal courthouse, and attorney Craig Heidemann says this shooting never should have happened.
A federal lawsuit filed today claims Dylan Austin had been the subject of harassment from the city's only officer, Dwayne McAtee. On March 13th, the lawsuit says McAtee tried stopping Austin for riding an ATV without a light, something Heidemann says is disputed by surveillance video.
We obtained surveillance video from neighbors in the Niangua community showing what was occurring on the streets of Niangua before the shooting. We obtained the dispatch logs showing the radio transmissions of the officers leading up to and after the shooting.
Austin fled and ended up at his mother's home. The suit alleges McAtee went into the home without a warrant, and the shooting happened shortly after that.
Most folks don't know that local police officers and communities and municipalities enjoy something called sovereign immunity. States don't have sovereign immunity from a 42 U.S.C. 1983 claim, and that's what's called a civil rights claim.
The Webster County Sheriff's Office told news outlets at the time that Austin was armed with a gun, but the lawsuit claims Austin was holding a flashlight that rolled under the bed and had not been collected by crime scene technicians.
It's been preserved in an appropriate way, and we attempted to maintain the chain of custody as best as possible.
Austin's attorney says he believes body cameras were not used at the time of this incident, but Austin's mother, Melinda, was present.
A lot of times there's no eyewitnesses to what law enforcement does other than the victim. But in this case, we had an eyewitness, Melinda Austin, to the shooting, and she was able to see what transpired as it happened.
We spoke with Webster County Sheriff Roy Cole this afternoon. He reaffirms to Color 10 that Dylan Austin was armed with a gun during that encounter with the officer. Cole says that they found a gun near Austin's body, and Austin had an empty holster on his waistband, suggesting a gun had been drawn. Now, we did reach out to the city of Niangua, who declined to comment at this time, but did confirm that Officer McAtee remains on administrative leave. Reporting live in Springfield, Parker Paget, Color 10 News.